Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abby Jacobs, and on today's update video I'll be sharing to you guys how you can deposit your Dr. X tokens to your gate.io account. But before I get into this video, I'd like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, so far, Dr. X has listed on Gate.io pre-market, and also Gate.io have stated officially that they will be listing Dr. X come Tuesday, December 17th. Now, I said this in my last video that if Gate.io is listing it on their pre-market, there's an high chance they will also be listing it on the spot market right now. And now, guys, it has happened. Gate.io has officially announced they'll be listing Dr. X. Now, Dr. X right now is trading on the pre-market, and right now the price is at 0.0009506. Now, this is just the pre-market price, and it is a very volatile price. We'll get to know the actual price when it officially launches next week, Tuesday. Now, guys, by now, you should all have seen your DRX tokens in your X portal. If you haven't seen your DRX token in your X portal and you are sure you verified, you submitted your wallet address and every details is completed and is correct, please be patient. This distribution is still ongoing. Very soon your DRX tokens should get to you. Now let's get into the video and show you guys how you can deposit this in your gate.io. Now the first thing you are going to do is that once you open your gate.io, you go to assets. Then once you get to assets, you switch to the sports app part. Then you search for DRX. Now after you search for DRX in the sports section under the assets, then you are going to click on the DRX and it's going to bring something like this for you. Then after that, you are going to click on deposit. Then you click on on-chain deposit. Now after you click on on-chain deposit, it's going to bring you the wallet address and the network is Elrond eGold. Now I've said it before in my previous videos, I've said it over and over that you are going to need gas fee in eGold. So please guys, if you haven't gotten your gas fee and you are watching this video right now, make sure to join our Telegram channel and hit me up privately so that you can get your gas fee, your eGold gas fee as well. The gas fee is currently on sale, and if you guys don't want to buy it, you can also go to exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, anyone. Then you can buy eGold from there and you send it to your exporter wallet address. Now this is my own wallet address right now and the network is eGold. So all I have to do is just copy this address. Now guys, this is my own exporter app and I've received my DRX. I got about 38,584 DRX tokens. Now I'll be sending just about 8,000 to my gate.io because I still want to hold the rest in my X portal so that I can swap it to eGold and then send it over to exchanges. However, you can just simply send everything to gate.io and then you swap them to USDT, and from the USDT you get your fiat in your P2P market. But for the sake of this video, I will only be sending just 8,000 DRX to my gate.io just to show you guys how it works. Now if you've seen your DRX, all you have to do is that you click on DRX, you click on send, then I'll be clicking 8,000. You click on continue, then you are going to paste it, the wallet address copied from gate.io, you paste it in, then you click on next. Now the network fee is $0.00259 worth of eGold. So that is why I kept saying you need to buy eGold gas fee. So please go and do that so that you'll be able to send out your DRX to exchanges. Now I'm going to click on send. I'll put in my password. And that is it, guys. The transaction has been done successfully. So this is it, guys. The transaction is still pending, but later on it is still going to go. They are just trying to confirm the transactions in the blockchain and so on and so forth. Now the DRX has been sent to my gate.io. So let me go and check my gate.io if I have received it. So guys, my DRX has arrived on my gate.io account, and as you guys can see, I have about 8,000 from my X portal to my gate.io. So guys, this is how you transfer your DRX tokens from your X portal to your gate.io account. So please, if you have gotten your DRX, make sure you go and register and verify your gate.io account so that you can get your DRX traded on it. So please guys, once more, Dr. X will be launching next week Tuesday. So please make sure you do this right now so that you can sell your tokens and you get your USDT and exchange it later on to fiat currency. However, if you don't want to sell on that day, you can decide to keep on holding your DRX tokens for the long term purpose. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.